Hello, I'm Hassan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about a topic that can be a question for many people at different stages of their programming career journey. From those who haven't started programming yet and want to know about ways to earn money before starting the learning path, to those who have passed the learning stages and are about to enter the job market, and even those who have been working in the field of programming for years. Because some of the earning methods mentioned in this video might be new even for those who have been programmers for years, or might see it in a new light, and it can open up a new career field for them. So no matter where you are in your programming journey, this video can be useful for you. Before we start the tutorial, I suggest you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and set it to all so you get notified immediately when a new video is uploaded and don't lose track of the channel. Also, if you like the video, you can support me by liking it and leaving a comment. And if you think this video can be useful for others as well, share it with your friends. One of the attractions of programming is the variety of ways to earn money. This variety has different reasons, and to better understand the ways to earn money from programming, it is good to know the reasons for this variety. These reasons can be examined from different aspects such as the field of work, the place of work, and the way of doing that work, which we will talk about in the following. After that, at the end, we will see what the methods of earning money from programming are. First, let's talk about the diversity of work fields in which a programmer can operate. For example, if we assume a hospital or a doctor's office, various software is needed, one of which is appointment scheduling software. Another example is factories or large commercial organizations that need various accounting, attendance, CRM, and other software. So as we have reviewed, programmers are not only needed in software-related companies, and this has led to a high diversity of work fields in programming. Next, we will talk about the place a programmer can choose to work. A programmer who works as a freelancer or is hired by a company remotely can easily do their work from home or any other place in the world. On the other hand, a person who likes to work in a formal environment can work in the company that are hired by or have set up themselves. So programmers also have a choice of workplace. Another attractive thing that contributes to the diversity of ways to earn money from programming is the way of working, which can be remote, on-site, or a combination of both. This variety of methods allows a person to work without being physically present, and because of this, the number and variety of jobs they can choose from increase. Now that we are familiar with the reasons for job diversity in programming, let's review the important ways of earning money in this field together. Working in a company on site. One of the common ways to earn money is by getting hired and receiving a monthly salary suitable for those who like to be in a formal environment and are interested in direct interaction with colleagues. Remote work for domestic and foreign companies. In this method, since there is no need for physical presence, you can even work for foreign companies and earn in dollars, which is usually one of the attractive ways for programmers. Taking on freelance projects. In freelancing, besides being able to take on projects from inside and outside the country in dollars, you can also manage your time. What is expected from you is to have the project ready by the delivery date, regardless of whether you work at night or during the day, on Friday or Saturday. Teaching programming. When you have mastered a skill, you can earn money by teaching it to others. Considering that programming is one of the trending skills. Many people are looking to learn it, and you can help them as a teacher or mentor. Creating educational content. Producing high-quality educational content and providing it to those who want to learn programming can earn you money in various ways, from selling courses directly to starting a YouTube channel and earning dollars based on the views of your uploaded content. Developing plugins or scripts. You can program useful and high-quality plugins and scripts for different platforms like WordPress and offer them to users through various websites that sell them. Creating software and offering it to users. With programming expertise, you can design a dedicated system or website and sell your service to users. In other words, without relying on others, you can turn your ideas into products. For example, you can build your own dedicated store without the limitation of ready-made systems, or even program a messaging system and sell its accounts to users. By using this earning method, you can set up your own company with an attractive product and hire various teams, creating jobs in addition to earning money. Writing books or articles. One of the important ways of transferring knowledge is by writing books and articles in a standard format so that people can buy your books to learn and study the content. Participating in programming competitions. Different programming competitions are held around the world, some of which offer big prizes for top individuals, and by winning these competitions, you can earn their prizes. Finding bugs in websites or software. Many big companies in the world offer rewards for finding bugs or security holes in their websites and software, which are usually introduced as bug bounty. Providing consultation on projects. When you reach a good level of experience, you will both want to share your experiences with others and help them, and others will need your experiences to save time and money in their work. Many large software companies or groups are always looking for skilled and experienced individuals to manage their programming teams or consult on choosing the right infrastructure for software development. So far, we have become familiar with many important and attractive ways of earning money from programming. But as you know, there are many other ways to earn money from programming as well. If you like, let me know and we can talk about those too. If you watched this video completely, now you know that there are many ways to earn money from programming, and you've become familiar with them so you can choose wisely among them. On the other hand, we've reviewed the reasons for this variety. Knowing the reasons helps you with ideation so you can even create new ways of earning money yourself. One of the attractions of the programming field is that you can create a new way of earning money that did not exist before with your creativity. If you like this video, be sure to like and share it. In the comment section, if you have any questions about programming or software engineering in general, you can ask. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video, friends.